Eating healthy does not mean we stick to boring recipes. Hey guys, I'm Namami Agarwal, a nutritionist and a healthy food enthusiast. Today I'm making brown rice risotto, and cooking it has become so convenient with my Wi-Fi enabled LG microwave oven. All I have to do is scan the QR code, follow the instructions in the LG ThinQ app, choose from LG recipes, click send, place my dish in the oven and press start. This brilliant microwave oven comes with 30 healthy hard auto-cook menu. So while I wait, I can catch up on my work. See how it's come out to be perfect.